critters that we have. We're talking about heartworms, Lyme disease, and this month is Heartworm and Lyme Disease Awareness Month, trying to bring attention to pups like Grady here who have heartworm positive. Peter Perez is joining us with the LASPCA. You see a lot of this coming in and out of your clinic there at the hospital. So what are some of the things that we as responsible pet owners should be doing or could be doing?
Well, definitely for sure, heartworm prevention is needed for them. Also tick prevention, because since we are talking about Lyme disease as well, ticks, specifically the deer tick, which is prevalent down here, that can be prevented with heartworm prevention as well. Heartworm, flea, and tick prevention.
So let's say that, you missed out on a treatment. Typically, with heart disease, you need to take your pills like every single month. Let's say that you skip out and unfortunately your dog becomes heartworm positive. What should you be doing? What are some of the signs and symptoms?
Some of the signs and symptoms, of course, it takes a little bit of a while for it to kick in. It takes about 6 months for the infection to take on. So that's why they recommend getting them tested every year as an annual visit with your vet. And so if they do become infected with heartworms, there is treatment for it. It is a little taxing on the body, so that's why prevention is very, very important. I can't speak for all preventatives, but there are some, of course, that they have like a lagging time, but it is recommended, of course, at least give it every 30 days.
Now, how do you know, maybe offhand, I know with the testing, but let's say that your dog is acting a little off. Are there signs that your dog is going to show maybe some they're lethargic or things of that nature?
So you're going to look out for, of course, you're going to look out for coughing, lethargy, but the coughing is going to be one of the huge signs, just because what happens with the heartworms is the heartworms, once they go into the body, they not only migrate to the heart, but they also migrate to the lungs as well. So that's why it causes that really intense coughing.
And just so you know, it's cheaper to do prevention than treatment.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Because the treatment can be pretty expensive. We're talking a few $1,000s. So
yeah,
again,
it can be expensive, but it's also, like I said, it's taxing on their bodies as well.
And we want to keep them safe.
Yeah, for sure. But we do offer heartworm treatment there at our community clinic as well. It's not as expensive as the other clinics are, but we do offer it there.
And Grady, as you mentioned, is heartworm positive, but you guys are treating him right now, and he is up for adoption too,
He is up for adoption. We've had him for about a month. He's 7 years old, and he is getting neutered tomorrow, but he is available for adoption. He's very good with other dogs, good with cats, good with people, and as you can see, he sits pretty well on the table.
And he likes his ball. Could find somebody to go play, catch with you later on. So sweet. So again, Grady is one of the many pets up for adoption right now at the Louisiana SPCA. If you want more information about their community clinic, a lot of the other services that are being offered there, or maybe you're ready to bring an animal like Grady into your home, they've got all the adoptable